Hey everyone, welcome to another video. Before it begins, I want to mention that only a small portion of my viewers that watch my videos are actually subscribed, so if you enjoyed this video and want to see similar content, consider subscribing. It's free and you can always change your mind.
Oh my god!
But it ain't safe, pose with me. I'ma chase bands till they hand me. Do what I say so.
Vehicle fire. When it comes to keeping your home comfortable, Petro delivers more than heating oil and propane.
I can't believe it.
The Petro promise call.
I can't believe it.
That's 888 Petro 02 to save $100 on heating oil. Or visit
I can't believe it.
Why you playing with me? Why you playing with me?
All right, hold on. Hey, bro.
What's
My
up?
glove came off. I didn't mean to disrespect you. I didn't mean to do that. You saw my hand go like this? That's all it was, bro.
Get on, bro.
What happened?
Get on.
Get on?
This is my neighborhood.
You're dismissing me? That's
Look,
messed up,
you
bro.
got cameras on me, bro. Don't record me. Don't record me, bro. Don't record. I'll break your motherfucking camera. Well, get it off me. Get it off
I'm
me.
I'm looking that way, bro. If anything, this is a live feed. It's a live feed, bro. What happened?
Bro, get on.
That's all messed up, bro. I was being nothing but nice to you. I'm being nothing but nice to you. All right, bro. You could have done all that. All bad.
once again, going the wrong way.